you know about the local travel network? Just look for the turtle. The LTN is a network of existing low-speed streets that support the use of lightweight, zero-emission, low-speed vehicles. These modes, known as micromobility, include neighborhood electric vehicles known as NEVs, e-bikes, pedal bikes, e-scooters, and other devices that go 25 miles per hour or less. When using the local travel network, these devices share the road with other cars, so everybody goes slow. Just look for the turtle signs and Shero signs on the road. Why does the South Bay need the local travel network? Because studies show that 70% of trips taken here are just 3 miles or less. The South Bay City's Council of Governments studied transportation patterns and determined that right-sizing your ride just makes sense. When you think about it, why drive your 4,000-pound car 3 miles when you can hop on your low-speed device and save money on gas and car maintenance while helping the environment? So consider a low-speed vehicle as your mode of travel to get around town. Besides, driving around in the open air is so much more fun and makes it easy to say hi to your neighbors. Take it to the beach, drop your kids off at school or the park, and if you need to get across a busy intersection, follow the turtle signs that guide you where to cross safely. So again, just look for the turtle. Plans are being developed to connect the whole South Bay with the LTN. Learn more about it at southbaycities.org. See you on the LTN.